Today I'm going to be reviewing the solar fountain. It has several nozzles. I think it has 6 nozzles. There's a rock. This is your pump. To put your solar fountain together, you can stick that in there, here, and then it'll go into the ground. I'm going to go wash this and rinse out the pump, and we're going to go out to the bird bath and set it up out there. I put my solar panel on my fence like that instead of staking it in the ground, but it's really easy to stake in the ground. Okay, so we have a pump, we have a rock, and if you look at the rock, there's little notches here. See how the wire's going through that? Okay, you can leave it like that if you want. And we've got this one. You put it on, see how high up it goes. There's another nozzle that shoots a straight stream up that high. I'm gonna put this one on. Now this is usually how I leave it. I just leave it bubbling over like that. But let me show you these other nozzles. These just screw on. Got this one. This one shoots way up. Let's see if you can see how high it goes. So it has several different nozzles and different sprays coming out of the nozzles. I like that it has the rock that goes over the pump because that keeps the pump in place better than some of the other ones I've had. But I'm going to leave it out here. I'm just going to leave it like this. It is a sunny day, so it should be good to go for a while. It does not say stay full sun over here all day long, but most of the day it does. And this works only when the sun's shining on that solar panel. But I'm going to leave it out here, leave the camera going, and we'll see if we get any birds that enjoy the bird bath.